Beginner tips. Today's question is, why am I getting blurry photographs with my new Fuji? Well, let's try to help out some of the beginners out there. There's a couple of reasons why your photographs may be blurry. So let's try to figure out what the problem is first and then give you some solutions, and you should be on your way to being a master. Okay, let's start with the first reason. Maybe you missed focus. So your camera has focus points and the camera will grab on focus depending on where that point is. So maybe you missed focus because of your focus point. Are you shooting in auto mode? If you're shooting in a full auto mode, like on the Fuji X-E3 or the Fuji X-T20, then the camera's doing all the thinking for you. So you may be getting blurry photographs if the camera wants to focus on something that you don't. Next, switch the camera to S on the front here for single shot focus. This focus mode is just to grab focus on something that's not moving. And third, change your focus mode to just one little square in the center. That should be your starting point, and you can pretty much point the camera straight on something, half hold the shutter, grab focus, and fire. Now, if your subject is moving, just switch the little switch to C on the front, and that allows the camera to continuously focus if something's moving towards you. You just have to make sure you're holding the shutter halfway as they move, and the camera will keep focusing. The second reason you may be getting blurry photographs is because your shutter speed is too slow. So if the room is too dark or there isn't enough light coming in for some reason, your camera will set a very slow shutter speed so that it can gather enough light. So the way shutter speed works is your shutter will open, it will collect light, and then when it has enough, it will close. The problem is it's hard to hold the camera very still if the camera opens up, click, camera moves around and then closes, and so your photograph will be blurry. So you want to make sure that your shutter is fast enough so that you can grab the photograph without getting any motion. So what speed do you need? Well, there's a general rule that your shutter speed should be higher than your lens focal length. So this right here is a 35 millimeter. So to be safe, I should be at 1/50th, 1/60th. I shouldn't be at 1/5. If you have a zoom lens like this 18 to 55, if you're at 18, that means you're the widest that it goes, then your shutter speed can be 1/25th, 1/30th, 1/40th. And you also have image stabilization on here, which will help you a little bit. If you zoom to 55 on this lens, then you get it. You should be over 1/60, 1/80th, 1/100. Keep those shutter speeds up higher. Now everyone's different. We hand hold a little different. So just keep the shutter speed higher than whatever your lens focal length is. I myself like to be safe. If there's no image stabilization, I like to go even double. So if I'm at 1/50th here, I'm shooting definitely at over 1/100th. Anyway, you get it. And the last reason you may be getting blurry photographs could be your aperture. If you're at f2, anything that is the camera grabs focus on will be sharp, but as soon as you start to move a little bit away from the camera, stuff will start to get blurry. Now that's not a fault of the camera or your focusing technique, it's just the lens. You're at f2, which is a little shallow depth of field. You wanna change your aperture to f2.8, f4, 5.6, keep making it smaller and smaller. Now the numbers get bigger and bigger, but the opening gets smaller and smaller. And this gives you more depth. Now no, the closer you are to stuff, the less depth there usually is. So if you're shooting someone who's far away, chances are that even at f2, the whole person will be in focus. But if I'm shooting Cap here at f2 close up, he's tiny, so his arms are gonna be out of focus. All right, guys, so I hope that helped you a little bit. Tips to get sharper photographs. First, you have to understand why your photographs are blurry, and then you can maybe help fix the problem. If any of this was unclear, if you need more help, leave a question below as a beginner, and we'll try to help everyone out who kind of needs help. All right, I'll see you guys.